In the late 1960s, the U.S. Navy started testing ships which could not only float, but also glide on the water surface. The ships the Navy came up with were called hydrofoils and had the function to lift themselves out of the water, allowing them to reach massive speeds. In this video, we will be discussing why the U.S. developed a flying ship in the 1960s and how it helped them. Before moving forward, let's see what exactly hydrofoils are. Hydrofoils are vessels equipped with underwater wings, known as foils, that extend below the hull. As the vessel gains speed, these foils generate lift, effectively lifting the hull above the water's surface. This results in a dedication in water resistance, allowing hydrofoils to achieve higher speeds and smoother rides compared to conventional boats. Now, let's step back into the 1960s and see how and why the U.S. Navy developed such advanced concepts 60 years back. In the 1960s, the Cold War was in full swing, and the Navy was constantly seeking innovative technologies to maintain its naval superiority. As a result, they developed hydrofoils through research, experimentation, and innovation. Prototypes like the USS High Point, also known as PCH-1, were commissioned to test the feasibility of hydrofoil technology. Extensive testing and operational deployment followed, leading to advancements in design and control systems. Moving on, let's delve into the advantages of hydrofoils that made them attractive to the U.S. Navy. The first and foremost advantage is speed and efficiency. Hydrofoils could travel at incredible speeds, often exceeding 46 miles per hour or more. This rapid response capability was vital during the Cold War for intercepting potential threats quickly. Also, they were much more efficient compared to conventional vessels as they consume less fuel. This was especially important during an era when fuel costs and availability were concerns. Furthermore, hydrofoils were particularly useful in anti-submarine warfare. During the Cold War, the Soviets' nuclear submarines were attacking fast. They could reach depths of up to 350 meters and speeds of up to 41 knots, making them externally difficult to intercept. These submarines would hunt down the U.S. Navy ships and launch attacks, which were almost impossible to dodge because of the carrier's slow speed. That's why the new technology of hydrofoils was applied. Hydrofoils' elevated hulls allowed for better visibility and detection of submarines beneath the water's surface. They could rapidly close in on and engage potential submarine threats. Hydrofoils excelled in coastal operations. Their ability to navigate in shallow waters and through congested coastal regions made them ideal for patrolling and protecting coastlines and harbors, adding to its advantages. You might be wondering why we don't see the Navy using these types of ships in the real world today. While hydrofoils offered many advantages, they also faced challenges and limitations. Hydrofoils were complex vessels with intricate mechanical systems, including the foils, hydraulics, and control mechanisms. This complexity made maintenance and repairs more challenging and costly compared to conventional vessels. Additionally, hydrofoils typically had a limited payload capacity compared to conventional vessels of similar size, and military operations sometimes need a large amount of equipment to be carried, which made it a disadvantage. They had one more problem. While hydrofoils were fuel efficient at high speeds, their fuel consumption increased at lower speeds. This could be a disadvantage during certain mission phases when high-speed operation wasn't necessary. Eventually, the U.S. Navy discontinued its hydrofoil program in favor of other naval developments, but the technology left an indelible mark on naval innovation. In conclusion, hydrofoils were a groundbreaking innovation developed by the United States in the 1960s. Their advantages in speed, efficiency, anti-submarine warfare, and coastal operations made them invaluable during the Cold War era. Although the U.S. Navy's hydrofoil program may have ended, the legacy of hydrofoil technology lives on in the maritime world, inspiring continued advancements in naval design and efficiency. That was it for today's video. If you found the video informative, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with more exciting explorations of fascinating technologies. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our world.